Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you love a Moscow Mule, then you know how important having a good copper mug is.
These are genuine copper mugs from Staglife, and I think they are absolutely breathtaking. This beautiful copper with the black over top is so my style. I am completely in love with these. I love how well wrapped they were because they are not delicate, but I love that they were wrapped super well because you know how much this company values the product that they made. I love a Moscow Mule or a Texas Mule or a Kentucky Mule. I love a mule. They're so good. And I think these mugs are absolutely gorgeous. They will keep your drink so cold. My husband and I were drinking out of these, and he remarked that he had to keep putting it down because the handle was actually really cold. I think they are absolutely beautiful. They would make an absolutely perfect gift for someone who really loves cocktails, and they are handcrafted and just so gorgeous. I love that they included the directions for the care of the copper as well on the packaging. I think that is really just such a nice touch from the company.
If you're looking for the perfect Moscow Mule mug, then you need these, and that's my point of view.